Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's prepare this oil rice together, which is palm oil. So I just put my palm oil on the fire, add salt. The next thing I will add my diced onion on the oil. So just fry it together. I add my bay leaf. The next thing I just stir a little bit and I will add my tomatoes paste. Now I'm going to add my tomatoes paste and stir also. Just stir, let it cook together for few minutes. Few minutes later, I just add my blended ingredients to it and let it cook together for another few minutes. The next thing is to wash my rice. I just add salt into the rice and pouring a hot water on it to wash the rice. That is the next thing that I'm doing now. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, me you are enjoying the video. Of course you are enjoying it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, share to friends and family. God bless you as you do so. Now I'm still washing the rice. I'm just pouring the dirty water and put more clean water and wash. So when I say that the water is already clean, I will know that the rice is clean as well. So I just keep on doing the same thing, repeating the same process. So now my rice is already clean. I'm going to pour it inside the pot and stir together. Now I'm adding my ingredients, which is crayfish, maggi and pepper, salt. So I will just add water for the rice to cook. I will cover as soon as I finish adding all the ingredients that I need in this recipe. I will just add water for the rice to done. So let's continue, guys. Cover and let the food cook. So check time to time so that it doesn't get burnt. I'm going to add some dry fish into this rice. So I will just stir together. The fish was already deboned. I'm going to stir together, leave it for few minutes. So our food is almost ready, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.